This is Parami and Mr. Momen and me. We are team member and we work for Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube marketing and all type of digital marketing related work. So recently our team member Mr. Momen audited your YouTube channel and found some growth related issues. If you can fix that problem, definitely your channel possible to grow. So mainly we found that your video quality is awesome and thumbnail quality is also eye catchy. But your video has some optimizations related issues, like you are not using high volume rank tags, you are not using SEO optimized keyword, and you are not optimizing your video metadata, and you are not promoting your videos. So if you want, we can promote your videos according to your targeted audience, and then we optimize each of the things. And for that work we have two packages mainly. One is starter and another is standard. In our starter package, we will optimize your 10 video and it costs 120 USD and it takes 7 days to deliver the work. And another package is standard package. In our standard package, we will optimize your 30 video and it costs 300 USD and it takes 30 days to deliver the work. We have these two packages. Now it's your choice which package you want to start with. And our payment system is, when you hire us, you can pay 50% in advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work. And to receive money, we support Remitly, Western Union and Payoneer. And to start the work, we have two methods. One is you can give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited. Then we can optimize each of the things from our side, and you no need to do anything. But if you do not want to give your channel access, we have second method, which is you just send your video links to us. Then we'll optimize from our side and make a report sheet. Then we will hand over to you. Then you just implement to your videos by yourself. So that is all about our price, package, work starting system, and each of the things. So it's your choice how you can go with us. Or our team member Moment will send you an email describing all of the things after ending the meeting. Then further communication will go through your Gmail. Okay. But right now I can't hear you. I think you have a microphone issue. So no problem. Further communication will go through your Gmail. Okay. 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 So all right. All right. Hope to work with you for a long time, and bye for now. Bye bye. Yeah. Bye bye.